This is Margaret Grace, born October 7th, and she was our third born actually. She weighed 3 pounds 5 ounces. And Cooper was our second born, and he weighed 2 pounds 8 ounces. And Emily was first born, and she was 3 pounds 1 ounce. And she was the only one that made any noise when she came out. She was our only crier.
Aww.
And she's crying right now. Aww. She's hungry.
Time to eat. It's feeding time.
Time to eat. Time to eat.
Is there right.
Okay. So we're adjusting little Emily. I want to say how old she is.
She's just 3 months old, but actually adjusted, she's only 3 weeks old.
Okay, so I'm going to have you put her over your shoulder.
Baby girl.
She's been extremely constipated. Wiggles. Here we go. Ready? Ready? Good job. So good. It's so good. She's doing it up. And then go face up. Oh, beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. This is for her intestines, so. Back over your shoulder.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah. Good job. Ready, set. Oh, good job. Ready, go to the side. Good job.
It's okay.
Okay, I'm just going to leave her alone for a couple minutes.
This is Cooper, one of the triplets. He just got adjusted, and he's happy. He's very happy. He feels so much better. And there's a big smile. He knows we're talking about him. Big ham. This is Margaret. Look at her cutie patootie. She just got adjusted. We're going to recheck her. And she's out, too. Here they go. There's Miss Emily, Cooper, and Margaret. They all just got adjusted.